Morning! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Oh my gosh, yeah. That's a lot. That's a big number. Right, it is 10 o'clock. I woke up a little bit late today. Well, I actually woke up early this morning, but I went back to sleep. I woke up like half 5, went back to sleep, and just slept. And you know, the thing about it is that when Kenji is spending time by me, if I don't get up to bed, he will not get up to bed too. That's just how much he loves me, you know. He's just so cute. Like seriously, if I sleep all day, he'll sleep all day too. Like I'm not even kidding. Today I'm home, which is a great. Finally, like staying home and I'm not going anywhere. I love to stay home. Not gonna lie, I really love my home, my bed, my room, everything. But it's not just work, stay home and chill. It's stay home and work. I have so much to do. I have so I'm going to work on one assignment that I have due for Monday. I have two of them, but I'm going to work on one of them and then I'm going to start studying. I'm also going to finish cleaning up my room. It is a little bit messy, like real messy. What else? Yeah, I might have mommy start to clean up like the rest of the house. That too. And oh, what I'm wearing today is just like this kind of, yeah, don't mind this. I was painting a while ago, and then I have this skirt on. It is like, okay, let me see. This skirt is like long. This skirt is like really cute. I love it. It's like a, oh, there's a full string. It has butterflies on it, and usually I don't really like skirts, but I love skirts that have some sort of like nice print on it. And yeah, this is really comfortable. I'm wearing this today. I am being super comfy today, and that is what we are gonna do. So you guys are going to come study and clean with me today. Ready? You ready? What I also have going on tonight is some feet moisturization. My feet have been really dry and then like getting like really scaly a little bit, so I have like put a lot of like Vaseline and moisturizer, and then I put on the socks, and of course I'm wearing inside slippers. But usually what I always do is actually put plastic bags and then put the socks over it, because the plastic bag helps to lock in the moisture better. But I just was not feeling like to hear that squishy noise tonight. So good night, good friends, good night. Ah. Do y'all remember what show that was from? I mean, I was just thinking about it the other day, and I remember watching that show a lot when I was younger, and even a lot throughout my teenage years. I've been watching that show a lot. Um, anyway, it's 10 past 10 in the night right now. No, things didn't work out as planned. When I last vlogged this morning, I know I didn't vlog anytime after that. I did plan on cleaning and stuff like that. I did get a lot of my schoolwork done, but I wasn't feeling so good. I think my blood count is low because like I've been sitting down, and like if I just like slightly move, sometimes I would feel like really dizzy, and then like things would get a little bit blurry, and that happens to me when my blood count is low. Another way that I could tell is that like the palms of my hand are pretty fair, and you see how it's kind of like pink now. It's usually very much pinker than that, and like if I hit it and it gets very like a brighter red or a pink, that means my blood count is good. But if I hit it and it just remains this color, it like when hair starts to look a little bit pale, that's when I know my blood count is low. And the dizziness is another major factor of me knowing that my blood count is low. So I have to work on that. Gonna get some blood tablets because I haven't been taking any tonic in a while. Yeah, besides that, that's about it for today. I am going to do a little bit of studying again, and then probably get on to editing the rest of the vlogs from before. I'm sorry. And yeah, I'm here with Kenji, of course. Poochie. Choochie. Yeah, he's being cute. I feel I didn't get time to beat him today because of how I was feeling today too, but he's gonna be it tomorrow, and he was being a little bit of a miserable little pumpkin today. But yeah, bye. Good morning, y'all. It is 23 minutes past 7. It is the 15th, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. Oh my gosh, we are almost done with Vlogmas. That's sad. So I literally just got up. My feet feel so much better with like that moisturizer thing that I did last night. It was really dry. So I'm going to well, I really wasn't. I'm still not feeling that. Since I'm not feeling that much good, I'm gonna do like a simple exercise, and then I would like get ready for my day. I still not going anywhere today. This is what we have going on. Sleeping. Put aloes on my face, so I have like a little piece here that I've cut, and then like I have this, and I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. It clears up my skin. It has so many things that benefits my skin so well, and I haven't done this for a while, so I figured what better way to do this after a little exercise to help my skin look all better. So I'm gonna let this dry and then wash it off when I go bed. Hey vlog, how are you? I don't even know the time, but I'll let them know the same time. It's 5 to 2. I really don't feel so good today. I don't even know what's going on with me now. I know we're working low. Just went to this stupid pharmacy. Oh my god. To get some blood tablets, and they don't have no blasted blood tablets, so I just buy some like multi-symptom and thing, because I think like my immune system is going down. And then I was gonna buy emergency, but I don't want the orange flavor. I want like the what's called it, the lemon lime flavor. They don't even have that. These people just tripping me. So I buy multi-symptom and then some other thing I forget. And so I'm gonna try to build up my immune system a little bit. I realize Pooch don't really like the camera at all. He just like disappearing back there. But yeah, that's all we doing. I did some work this morning. Yes! I am still bubbly, still have all this energy, but I'm still feeling out of it, and like I really need a blood tablet. But I kinda too lazy to stop by any other pharmacy, you know. The weirdest thing is happening to me, and this is another way that I know that my blood count is low. So I reach back home, it's like after 2, right? And now, if you all don't already know, I live in the Caribbean and we have a tropical climate, which means between the hours of 11 to 2, like a little after 2, the place is really, really ridiculously hot. Like you can't even walk in the sun. The sun is just so hot, this place, and like you don't even want to be driving in the sun and thing. Around half 11, I was changing and I was freezing. Like I literally have on long pants right now. And I still feel like it's like minutes to 2 right now. Sorry, it's a little after 2. And I still feeling cold. I mean, I feel the heat. Like I was driving and I feel the heat. Only when the sun hit my hand, then I was like feeling like real hot. But like, I feeling cold. So it's after 5. Wow, this looks so dark. Come here. With my child. Hello. There below. You see what he's doing? He hates his camera so much. Oh my gosh. Is this really my child? Yes, of course he is my child. It is exactly 10 p.m. and I am going to end today's vlog right here. It wasn't that much of doing. Like I didn't really have a lot to do. Well, a lot of schoolwork of course, and then assignments, uploading stuff, as well as you know, having things due for during next week. Thank God everything is going to be over by Wednesday next week, which is great. Like I can't wait for that. But yeah, I'm feeling much better, by the way. I took a reduxan, it's like a vitamin C, and I'm feeling much better, but I do still need the blood tablet. So I'm thinking tomorrow, tomorrow is Sunday, so I'm not sure if any pharmacy is going to be open, but I do need that because I started back getting dizzy today again, which is really bad. Also, side note, I feel like I've been ending vlogs here for a while, like in this angle. Do you all mind? I mean, is that okay? Seems like that would be fine, right? Well, bye. Mwah.